In this video I will show you how to download and install Microsoft DirectX. For this follow these steps. For this go and open any web browser in an address bar, type download DirectX and press enter. Click on first link pointing to Microsoft official website to download DirectX installer. Next click on download. Wait for some time to complete the download process. Then click on the DirectX exe file to begin installation. Click on I agree checkbox and then click on next. Uncheck install Bing bar option if you do not want to install Bing. Then click on next. Now it will begin DirectX components installation. Click on next. Again click on next. Wait for some time. Finally click on Finish to complete the DirectX installation. In this way we download and install DirectX. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.